It doesn't matter if you're an absolute beginner or a veteran in the t-shirt business. I promise that you'll find the perfect t-shirt mockup for you. In this video we will talk about the top 5 t-shirt mockup styles for you at Placeit.net. Mockups with invisible models. Create a nice effect for your customer's eye with this type of mockups. The pros of this style is that immediately you get to see how your design would look in a very simple and clean way. Besides, you get the structure of a human body and not a complete one, which gives you a minimalist feeling and it looks professional. Flat lay mockups. Selecting a solid, bright, vivid or pastel color for your background is a trend right now. Take some risks and say hi to the color. Don't be afraid to use it. Following this minimalistic aesthetic, you can create very playful and visual pleasing mockups perfect for illustrations, quotes, or brand's name. Seasonal mockups. If the seasons change, why don't you change with them? Keep your t-shirt business trendy with every holiday in the year. We're talking about Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, Halloween, you name it, and we got it. T-shirt video mockups. Teespring sellers must create videos. There's nothing to think about, since they grab people's attention immediately. Don't feel overwhelmed. Professional photographers already did the hard work for you. With Placeit, just select your image and download your video mockup. Mockups with professional models. Promote your designs with models using your designs in different environments. And since everything is customizable, you can play with the text, font, colors, icons, and background. Modify the size of your designs or crop them. Once you're in love with your creations, download them, and that's it, ready to be used. Go one step ahead from your competitors by offering other cool products than just t-shirts. What about tank tops, mugs, or tote bags? Dive into Placeit to have an idea of what you can create. No matter which style you choose to promote a shirt. Remember, just go with some trend that goes with your style to create something fresh and new. In the description box, you'll find links to each style mockup. And also you can take a look at my t-shirt design trends for sellers video where I talk more about t-shirt trends.